stage of the NASCAR Craftsman truck series.
Got a lot of damage.
Craftsman trucks had a lot of damage, yeah.
Running away. People trying to get by him, and he just like not even paying any attention.
Oh, sorry about that, guys. I didn't mean to turn the camera.
Walking all flexible and stuff, getting everybody away.
Yeah.
Well, seriously.
Getting ready for a restart here. This is the end of stage, or getting ready for stage number 3, the final stage.
They restarted and then something happened.
Yeah, they restarted and then something happened over there.
No, I'm shocked at a couple other people.
We could technically stand over by number 1 pit.
We could, but why? We just better with something to view. It's something to view right here.
Yeah, Numchucks put a little bear bond on this car with a little damage. Getting ready for a restart here real soon.
Steve.
Yeah.
Buddy. 81 Metro Series. You probably involved in that thing with Numchuck.
Getting ready for the final stage here. Two more times around. Right? 2 more times around.
Oh, I'm not sure.
I think 2 more times around and then they'll go back under green.
Watch for the lights go off, I guess.
Should be getting ready for a restart here soon. Looks like one more time around. Then they'll be going green. There we go. Get ready for the green flag. Oh, caution flag is back out. Man. This has been a rough stage.
Yeah. Kind of watching this replay.
Can you hold this real quick?
I was watching a replay on the TV screen. Yeah, I got it.
Couple more times around and they'll be going green again. They just had another caution, so get ready for another green flag here soon. This race has been a couple cautions here and there. Oh, 22 coming in. I'll try to give you guys a pit stop here. No way. 22 split is up. This is actually a good view right here.
You bet. We'll be on the line though.
Yeah. Left the bottle way over there, but.
Oh, let's go. Oh, that's why there's so many legacy guys. They have those. They get to.
There we go, green flag.
Like he's nice right now. Stewie's in right now.
Nice.
By 7.
Right now, the chase bubble points are Reddick minus 41, Everett
Some people are
minus 38, Friesen minus 6. Dewey plus 7. He's ready for the second.
He on rain tires in case.
Right now, Lane Riggs is leading, Ruggiero second. Third is Friesen, McKee, third, or
Village.
fourth. Dillett, Smith, Honeycutt, Christopher, Modak, and Perez are top 10. Between the 10 car, Grant Finger, and the 15. Battle for 5th going on.
Well, a little over 28.
What?
28 to go.
28 laps to go. Going in now.
Oh, man. I guess they do it a little bit.
What you pulled off there? 10 to go. Oh, big wreck, yo.
Damn it! Damn it! Put it nice.
Damn. Gavin Bischoff is wrecked.
Wow, this is gonna shake things up.
They're gonna really shake things up now.
Man, Mikey was hanging on for a top 10 too.
Yeah, Gavin Bischoff just wrecked. This is gonna shake some things up here.
Man, Stewie's barely hanging on for making a playoff. Man, he was doing good too.
Let's go up to the number 1 so we can push the pit stop.
Okay. Back over there if you want.
Alright. Gonna move over to the number 1 pit stop. See if they come in for a pit stop.
A lot of people coming through and stuff now. The race is basically over and then. Okay. Then you don't want to have to move back down there because after the race you don't want to get the burnouts and all this good spot to do.
How many laps are left?
5.
5 laps left of the race, guys.
Okay, sorry. I think I need to see the steer.
Definitely gonna be some pit strategy now. They're gonna shake things up a lot.
They're done. They will have the pit crew right now. They're done.
Yeah, the 1 truck is done. Half of the pit crew is already getting out of there. Oh, here comes the 99 pit stop.
They just totally blew the pit stop.
Yeah,
They are not happy. They just totally blew
they just blew their pit stop.
totally blew their pit
The
stop.
left rear tire came off.
They just totally blew their entire pit stop. Son of a. He's running 9.
And
Mikey was running top 10. I don't know where.
yeah, Mikey was running top 10 and then they messed up on his pit stop.
No, that wasn't Mikey's pit stop.
Or
He was running top 10 with
yeah, he was
5 to
running
go.
top
and
10 with 5 to
came
go.
on.
And
Now
then
he
the
can
caution came on.
now he can hold the tires and try to hang on.
33 is trying to get back out there. They put some bear bond tape on his nose. See what happens here on this restart. This restart's gonna definitely be crazy.
Like I said, it won't come down that way. Well, you can come back down that way now because the race can be over soon.
Yeah.
Gotta watch out for people that shoot out of you. You want to try to get the burnout, you want to come down that way. Go back to where we were, it'd be even better.
I'm gonna move back to where we were, guys, so that we can catch the burnout. I'm probably gonna end the stream with 3 to go, if that's alright with you guys, so that we can catch the rest of the race. But there's 5 to go right now, and we're getting ready for a restart. Yep.
Yeah, that's pretty bad. You'll see it when it comes by.
Oh, man.
Yeah, you'll see it. Oh, we'll be going now, man.
The number 1 truck is Jones.
Oh, what happened? He was 9th with 5 to go.
He was 9th with 5 to go and then wrecked. Appreciate everyone hanging out. Probably gonna end it with 3 to go so that we can catch the burnout and the rest of the finish.
Why would you end it?
Because I want to record it.
Oh, you want to record it?
Yeah.
Record it? Well, all right, well, it's up to you. I mean, what do you want to do?
Getting ready for our restart here.
Overtime.
Overtime format, 2-lap shootout.
GWC.
CWC. Or GWC. Wait, there is 3 laps to go then.
Oh, there's only 2 to go.
Oh.
Well, I'm saying, if you can end it, I don't know how you plan on doing that. You can either get the restart or you can end. You can do one or the other. You can get the goal. You're not gonna have enough time to stop and do and get everything ready in order to fill the car.
I'll get the restart, then I'm gonna end it. I'm gonna get the restart for you guys, and then I'm gonna end the stream so I can get the burnout on a video, and then you guys can check that video out after the race. But I'll get the restart for you guys.
time looking like?
3:59.
Oh man, my racing not gonna start at 4:30.
Huh?
You're a minor, you have to get off the track, right?
Yeah, I know.
Track's hot. You have to get off the track. The track is hot. You have a minor.
You gotta go that way.
You have a minor.
You would have been on the higher
Field on. Wow. Wow, half the field is wrecked.
You know, I'm gonna go through to see if we can get any hero cards. He told us to go in here. Everybody said anything now. They told us to go in here. They said you couldn't be out there. I've been out there all day.
Here's the cup garage, guys. Been kind of wanting to go in here.
You should be out there all day.
Don't look like they have
Now,
any.
now, it's last minute.
Well, we just got kicked. I don't see any hero cards, but oh, there's Daniel Suarez. Pretty cool. Sorry, guys, try to get you guys much coverage as I could, but yeah, I know. Alright, guys, I'm gonna end the stream here. I appreciate you guys watching. We got kicked out of the garage even though we've been there all day, which is kind of BS, but appreciate you guys watching. I'm gonna end it here. Thank you guys for watching. Peace out.
I don't know where the guy think you can't go.
Peace out.
I don't know where the guy think you can't go that way.